Once upon a time, in a bright and lively village, there lived two best friends named Ayaan and Haris. The village was full of green trees, colorful flowers, and friendly people. Ayaan and Haris grew up together, played together, and shared all their secrets. But the most special thing about them was that both had big dreams. Ayaan wanted to become a famous painter and fill the world with beautiful colors. Haris dreamed of becoming a successful writer whose stories would make people smile, think, and learn. They talked for hours about their dreams and always encouraged each other. But even though their dreams were big, their journeys became very different. One sunny morning, Ayaan woke up feeling very excited. The birds were chirping, the sunlight was shining through the window, and he felt a strong spark inside. "Today, I will paint my best picture ever," he said happily. He took his easel outside into the garden. The wind was soft, the flowers smelled sweet, and Ayaan felt full of inspiration. He started painting quickly. Every brushstroke made him smile. The colors mixed beautifully, and Ayaan felt like a real artist. It was one of his best days. But as the days passed, Ayaan's excitement kept changing. Some days he woke up very motivated and painted for hours. Other days, he didn't feel like painting at all. If a new idea came to his mind, he would start it. But he left many of his paintings unfinished. Sometimes his canvas stayed blank for days. His motivation came and went like the weather. Sunny one day, cloudy the next. Haris, on the other hand, chose a very different path. Every morning he woke up early, even when he was sleepy. He washed his face, sat at his small wooden desk, and began writing. It didn't matter if he felt happy or tired, if the weather was rainy or hot. He wrote a little every single day. On some days, words came easily like water flowing in a river. On other days, he struggled to write even one good sentence. But Haris kept going. He believed that small steps each day would one day make a big difference. One quiet evening, Ayaan felt very stuck. He sat in front of his canvas, holding his paintbrush, but nothing came to his mind. No ideas, no inspiration, just emptiness. He sighed deeply and placed his brushes down. "Why is this happening to me?" he whispered. "Why do I lose motivation so quickly?" Days passed, and his canvas remained blank. His heart felt heavy with sadness. He watched others succeed and wondered why he couldn't stay consistent. Meanwhile, Haris kept writing each morning. One day, while going through his notebook, he found a small story he had written a month ago. He had almost forgotten about it. It wasn't perfect, but Haris felt it had something special. He decided to fix it, polish it, and send it to a local children's magazine. A few weeks later, a letter arrived. Haris opened it with shaking hands. His eyes grew wide with surprise. The magazine had published his story. They even gave him a small prize. Haris felt proud of himself, not because of the prize, but because his hard work finally showed results. This success taught Haris something important. Motivation alone is not enough to reach a dream. You need daily effort. Consistency builds success, step by step. After many weeks of feeling sad and lost, Ayaan finally decided to visit Haris. When he entered the room, he saw piles of notebooks, pens, and pages filled with stories. Haris looked busy, but peaceful. Ayaan sat down and said, "Haris, you are so lucky. You always feel inspired, but I lose motivation so easily. I don't know what to do." Haris smiled gently and said, "Ayaan, I don't stay inspired all the time. I also feel lazy or tired sometimes. But the secret is simple. I keep writing, Even when I don't feel like it, I show up every day, and that habit keeps me going." Ayaan thought quietly for a moment. Haris continued, "Motivation is good, but it doesn't stay forever. Consistency is what keeps your dream alive. Try making a small routine. Start with just 1 hour every day." These words touched Ayaan's heart. He suddenly felt hopeful again. He decided to try what Haris suggested. The next morning, Ayaan woke up early and set a timer for 1 hour. He went to his garden, took out his paints, and began painting. At first, it felt difficult. His hands felt slow, and his mind was not full of big ideas. But he kept painting. Some days he created beautiful pictures. Other days, he only painted simple shapes or random colors. But he did not stop. Slowly, something magical started happening. His mind began to clear. His hands moved more freely. His imagination returned. Day by day, the blank canvas began to fill with colors, shapes, and ideas. The routine became easier. Ayaan realized that painting daily helped him stay inspired. The more he painted, the more confident he felt. Months passed, and people in the village started noticing Ayaan's amazing progress. His garden was full of colorful paintings drying in the sunlight. He smiled more, worked harder, and felt proud of his improvement. Haris continued writing every morning, working on bigger stories. Both friends were growing and improving in their own ways. Finally, a big day arrived. Ayaan was invited to display his artwork in a small village art show. Colorful lights, soft music, and many visitors filled the hall. People admired Ayaan's paintings and praised his talent. At the same time, Haris published his first small book of stories. Children loved reading it, and teachers recommended it in their classrooms. Ayaan and Haris celebrated their achievements together. They remembered how their journeys started, with dreams, struggles, mistakes, motivation, and most importantly, consistency. Looking back, Ayaan and Haris realized one powerful truth. Motivation is like a spark, bright but short. Consistency is like a steady flame that keeps burning. Both are needed to reach a dream. From that day on, Ayaan and Haris promised to keep working hard, even on difficult days. They continued inspiring each other and teaching others in the village. They learned that dreams are not built in one day or by one moment of excitement. They are built by small daily efforts that slowly turn into something big and beautiful. And so, the two friends lived their dreams, step by step, painting their future with hard work, patience, and belief. Dreams feel impossible sometimes. But what if the impossible is just the first step? This story will change the way you see challenges. And yes, this story can change your life too. But you have to make one promise. Watch it till the end and share it with someone who needs hope. Remember, small efforts repeated every day lead to big changes. Stay consistent, be patient, and never give up. Because discipline isn't always easy, but it shapes your future. Keep showing up, even on the hard days, and you'll see that's how real success happens.